Welcome guys, in this video I am with the Vivo Y16 and I'm going to show you how camera pro mode looks in this smartphone. Okay, so to open the pro mode you have to go for the more modes and select Pro right here. So right now we are going to focus on this part. At the first we can find exposure compensation. We can set it between -3 and a +3. And that's the only parameter that we can only adjust manually. Next we can go for the ISO. So we can set it for 3250 and also automatically. Next we can find the shutter speed. We can get it for 32 seconds, that's actually a lot. And also automatically. Here we can find the white balance with the few presets. And also the manual adjustment. Right here we can find the focus range. So as you can see right now everything is out of the focus because it's too close to the lens. But when I'm gonna put it like that, it's right now at the focus. When I'm gonna put it like that, it will be still out of the focus. So I have to put it closer. We can also make it automatically, so we can find the autofocus right here. You can also enable the flashlight to get the more light when you are in the bad lighting condition. And right here we can find the camera leveler. And there's also the histogram in the left upper corner. And you can enable this function in this option. So yeah, that's all for this video. That's all pro mode features on the Vivo Y16. And if you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.